Welcome to my YouTube channel ASMR Sanu Whisper Tone. Let's begin, just relax. Today, I'll be gently cleaning your ears. Slow, soothing movements, only for you. Soft sound cotton swab brushing. I'm using a fresh, soft cotton swab. Moving it gently around the outer ear. Little circles. Right there, yes. It's okay to close your eyes now. Sound shifts. Light tapping on a wooden stick. Now let's use a bamboo stick. Just a little tap. 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 Against your ear. Feel that soft vibration. Calming, grounding. Sound, gentle metal tools scraping very lightly. This is the metal ear pick. Very gentle. Careful around the edges. Listen to that sound. Like a whisper against your skin. So satisfying. Sound, puff of air, very light. A tiny puff of air now. To clear anything left behind. Refreshing. Clean. Light. Soft towel brushing sound. Now I'll wipe everything clean. Slowly. One side. Then the other. Final soft brushing sound with whisper.